Okay, how's everybody doing? Alright, we're back. Do a little live trading, little price reading. I'm gonna be trading some Apex, or I'm gonna be trading my Top Step account real quick. Also be trading a Lucid account. Okay, let's get started. Alright. Okay, so we're gonna delete everything. Start with the daily chart. Okay. Mark out the previous day low right here. Previous day high. We're right in the range right now. So that kind of lets me know we're about to break something here. Usually that's what happens. We hardly ever stay in the middle of a candle like this. Normally we break to one side or the other. Which is this side. This time I would think it'd be up. Okay, so let's see here. Since we're bullish, yeah, it'd make more sense for it to take out the top. Okay, so that's daily candle. Also gonna do the opening price here on the daily candle. Opening price, 4 hour. Let's go down there, see what's going on. Okay. Going down. This little order block here. Looks like we rejected it. So a good push up is what makes the most sense right now. Since we're going up like this, it looks like it'd be up if anything. Okay, got 1 hour now. Let's see what's going on with the 1 hour. We do have this fair value gap there. See how it's been holding. We broke below it, but then we broke right on top of it too. So we'll just get rid of that. Don't see the imbalances. Okay, yeah. So okay, that's the only other fair value gap we got right here. 1 hour. Which is a BPR. I would count that, yeah. The inversion that we're coming back to. Yeah. Equal lows, equal highs. Don't see much. Looks like we're just gonna pump up. Get a fib from the top here. Let's start down here. The top. Let's get the OTE measurement. We came down to 50% premium. And then we're coming off of that. So that's that. Go to the 15-minute here. We're gonna mark every fair value gap we can. That makes sense. 15 there. There. I'm just gonna mark this one right here. That's it. We did come up here, bounce here, and we're expanding up. That's the next little liquidity right there that I can see us taking out. Okay. Also, let's mark out the midnight open. Right here. Midnight open. We got some London low, London high. Let's see how that works. We're still in the middle of that as well. So we haven't taken either side out. So it's good to see it take out at least one of those sides to see a push. London high. I want to see some liquidity get taken so we could move towards the other direction if there's an entry. Okay, let's do a new day opening gap. Come down here to regular trading hours. Today's Monday. It's the morning. The market hasn't opened for New York session yet. So we're going to see where it closed. This is where it closed Friday. So it's going to be the new week opening gap here. Okay, we're going to do that. We're going to have the settlement. That's the settlement. Okay. And then come back. So that's the settlement there. Where we open it up today, when it opens up at 9:30, we're going to measure that and see if 50% and see where we, or if we can close it and see what happens. Okay, let's see what else we got. I think that's about it right now. We're looking for equal highs, equal lows right now. See if there's anything that's obvious. I don't quite see anything that's super obvious. Except for these, I guess. This right here looks kind of decent. Right there's good liquidity level. We'll just mark that out. So let's see what happens here. But as far as the 15-minute, we're respecting this. Looks like we're gonna disrespect this, and that'll be deleted. Or would it be deleted? No, we'll still hold that. It'll be turned to inversion, and we'll see what we can get. 5-minute, we're also holding that. Came off of this right here, lined up with this breaker. Came back into this one as well, and we're expanding out. Got some relative equal highs right there. Liquidity. Equal highs, we put EQ. And we'll see what happens. That's what I see as of now. Go back to the 1 hour. Still pushing up. Coming off of that order block. I'm gonna put this one as a 1 minute. Let's see if we get any setups. See if there's any news. No news, so it's a no news Monday, so we may not trade today. May not be no trades today. We'll see what happens. See what happens here. See what we got going on here, buds. Just being patient, man. I can't stress that enough. I need to be patient. We need to be patient. See what happens this 15-minute here. Okay, so we do have an SMT at the top. We also have an SMT at the bottom. So we'll see which one holds. Okay. Let's see. Still have an SMT. Market's open. Market's open. Okay, we took out the equal highs, relative equal, right there. Let's see. We're in that 5 minute. Also in the 15 minute. But if we're going with the trend, it'd be to go long, man. It'd be good to go. Time to find a long setup. But we will see. Trying to see where it's drawing towards. Where's it going? See what happens. Going straight up, nothing yet.
Samson 45 Shaggy. Cody Self 40 Moses.
Yes. CFTC 33. Wolfie.
Wolfie. Bobby Carroll 37.
It does not make any sense to take that. For me, it doesn't make sense to take it. I guess somebody could. They're really bearish right now. I want to get in the bearish mode. Hit the opening price. It took out London high. That's the only thing I can see about that. Other than that, nah. This looks pretty cool right here. Let's see. You'd be looking for all the way up there though. Looks like we're gonna close past this 15-minute. We'll see. No, not 7 minutes. We ain't gonna know that. We did come back to this 5 minute though. So close below this, tap into this to go up. Kind of like a order block trade. It's just I don't see much. I guess we're just gonna take out. If we did the settlement, it'd be 80. Stop loss have to be. I guess right here, 45 right there. Be tapped in. Tapped in right there. Something like this. Guess something like that. That's where it would be at. I wouldn't do that right now. I would just like to see it, see what else it wants to do. That's like an order block kind of trade. You guys want to see it set up more? See what happens here? Let's see. See what happens here. Still waiting, man. Still, I'm gonna be real picky today. real picky today, man. I'm not gonna take anything. I'm just gonna kind of price read, see what I see. Trying to learn new things and try new things and see how different areas work. But right now, I don't see anything, and nothing's clear to me right now. I'm just gonna wait for it to be super clear right now. It's a no news Monday, so it's more of a there's no news today, so it's more of a day of just weird price action. Low volatility. So it's best just to wait really patiently for your little move that you're looking for. Came up, passed that up, created this one, come back to this. What was it lined up with? Lined up with that. Let's see here. Okay. 15-minute rejection right there. See what happens. We didn't quite take that out. Came to it, didn't take that out, didn't take any of this out. See what happens. Bouncing off this 5-minute here. Still don't like it. Just I just want to see what happens. See, I want the 15-minute everything to clear up, look nice. Right now, it just doesn't look good to me. I want everything to go kind of together. So we'll see how that works out. So that's bullish. Would look like we may close past that, bullish. So there's this inversion we might pass up. That might be an entry there, because we're gonna do a lot of things at once. We're gonna reject that, show that we're showing bullishness, and if we close past this here, this fair value gap here, then it also we would close past this 15-minute. Does mean that we could go back to the 15-minute. We didn't close past it, so but we're just looking like maybe a long setup here. The stop would have to be, it depends on where you get in. I don't want it under here. That's kind of big to the truth, but we'll see. Trying to be chill, trying to be real chill and let it come to me, but it does look like a long right now, at least to like up here, this level here. Looks like it'd be decent right there. We'll just mark that out. Some liquidity. Let's see, liquidity. It just looks decent for the target, I guess. We closed past it. Okay. That. 67. Look decent. Yeah, we'll get in there on the trying to pass this combine here. And get out at what is that? 875. We'll see how that works out. Just an easy kind of just came back to the 5-minute, man. We passed up a 15-minute, and then that's showing bullish. This is showing bullish, and so it just let me know we may be expecting a push up to some good little liquidity over here somewhere. So it makes sense. We'll just give it a shot. And we could just take out the highs. 4888. But I'm just gonna mark this right here. Right here's where I'm gonna mark this here. But I'm gonna have my bracket order here for take profit. We'll just see how it works out. But I want to get out here, somewhere here for sure. I'm looking for something real quick. I'm trying to set up my Lucid account. Okay, trying to set up my favorites. Get a little. We'll see what happens here. Expecting to come up here. Gonna adjust my stop right now. So my entry is here. Right there. I'm gonna adjust my stop loss to be 840 exactly. So we'll leave it there. Let it hit something. See what happens here. Took a little liquidity out right now, so we'll see. We'll see here. Took a little liquidity out right here. This one, but this one is the next one, and I feel like we're gonna at least hit that. Maybe even the settlement, at least the settlement, and it seems like we could hit this too. This little liquidity we got here, so I'm gonna hold it for now. Let it do its job. We got a little liquidity there though. Right there. We just took out. But that's fine though. I think we're good. Either way we're good. So let's just let it trade work out, see what happens. My bracket order for my take profits here. 8.2, because that's all I need on this account. 8.2. If we hit that quick, I'll get out. If we start chilling right here and acting up, then I'll get out. But if we just kind of shoot up, it'll hit my 8.2, which is, let's see, this is my order I have waiting for take profit right there. Right there is my order waiting. So that's where we want to get it to right now. I think I'm gonna put my stop loss at break even now. I'm gonna put it at break even now. Okay, so we're at break even right now, and we'll just let it play out. See what happens. Going up on the settlement right now, man. Okay, moving up my stop loss below these lows here. When it hits that liquidity, I'm gonna take some off.
Order filled.
Taking some off there. See what we can get with the rest of it. The rest of it I'm gonna have up here at the all-time highs. See if we can get that. adjusting my stop loss really close. Not too close, but close enough. See if we can secure some profits. Take profit is trailing is right here. That's where we're gonna put it at for now. See if we can get this push.
Order filled.
Okay, so that's good. 1100 on that one. Pretty decent. Pretty good right there. There's just no reason for me to hold it past that. We took out this liquidity, which is a decent liquidity. Took out some more right here too. Usually before we even take that out, it's not really a straight shot. Usually like chill, get close to it, do some stuff, and then we come up there. It's never just like boom. So once we took that liquidity out, I was happy enough to just take it, and that's it. So that's good right there. That was a good trade. Let's see what we got. I think my stop loss was here. Got out here. So 1.8, 1 to 1.8, pretty good. And it was pretty clear. Came out the 5 minute, past the 15 minute. And if it did want to come back to the 15 minute, our stop would have been good still. If we wanted to come back here, we still would have been alright. But yeah, so that's the one trade for the week. Starting off green. So we got that one real quick. So now I could look for a short, but I don't want to just look for a short. I want the 5 minute and the 15 minute to tell me that it wants a short. And look like we're gonna do some all-time highs here. Look like we're gonna make some all-time highs. We'll see. It always teases right before it goes and hits that. It doesn't just go straight hit the dang thing. It does this kind of stuff, and right now, I think it still might come back a little bit, and maybe come to this 5-minute, maybe come to this 15-minute before it does that. But we will see. That's what I think. This is kind of what I've seen. Hit the all-time highs. Let's see, get a projection real quick of how high I think it may go. Let's see here. Let's do this here. Okay, so we got this 15-minute here. I'm gonna see, get a quick projection real quick. Mark here to here. Let's get this projection real quick. Boom. Let's see how this comes up. Projection fib. Come up to here. Here. I like that's it right there. Freaking high, but that's it. It looks like it's something right there. Yep. Projection for me right there. See something else. There. We'll go up here. Right there. And we're right there. So yeah, we're pretty dang close. Right there. So those are my projections right there. That's what I believe it may go in reverse. Right here in this range. That's my projections. Okay. Not convinced of the shorts right now. see what we got going on here. We're just coming off this 5 minute here. That's what I see. 5 minute fair value gap right here. So what this opening price tells me is that right now the daily candle's green. If we go below it, it's gonna be black or red or bearish. I mean, so that's what I'm seeing right now. There's nothing too clear right now. Nothing too clear for me right now. I want the 5 minute. I'm not trading off the 1 minute per se. I'm trading off the 5 and 15 minute. And 1 minute for the lower time frame confirmation. It's more of a confirmation. The lower time frame is a 1 minute. 5 and 15 is just, that's what I'm trading. That's what I want to trade. I need to see it clearly on the 5 and 15. If I don't see it clearly, then I can't take it. If it only shows up on the 1 minute, it's not highly probable that it will occur. Whatever move I'm trying to do. So this right here looked decent, I guess long, but it's because of 5 minute, and we're bullish and we're pushing up. But that's where I'm at right here, man. It's kind of hard to trade the all-time highs, man, to tell you the truth. And the best thing it would be to try to get in every long you see. Not every long you see. As far as like 5 and 15 minute, every long you see. So the first one would have been, if we were at the 5 minute, we opened up. Okay, so we opened up at 9:30 here. Okay. We're that close to the, it looks like we're pumping up. We come here, we take the long. In this case, what do we have as a long? We had an inversion right here. We came in there, we took the long. We took the long until here, which was a liquidity level. That's where we took it. Okay, that's where we took it. This one would be, okay, you're waiting for this for I got to form. It came here, and you'd be waiting for, I guess, for an inversion there, maybe. I mean, possibly. So it'd be this candle here, I guess. The stop loss would be kind of big. So maybe just wait for it to tap in here and then take it. But just like how far is it gonna go? I mean, we don't really know. So yeah, so we'll see.
Obviously very against it because they didn't know what it was. Traditional school this, school that, but I dropped out and then they were kind of crashing out, but it is what it is. It is what it is. And it's listed 40% off. I think the banners might be a little outdated. You can go ahead and check. Put code SMART in it. Do you have a Discord? Yes, I do. But if you want just the live streams, all the live streams are free. You dropped out I dropped out when I made my first 100K. Or like I made my first 100K and then I made an extra over it and then I dropped out like completely. But I already made up my mind that I was gonna drop out when I first made my 100K. And when the process of actually doing it was obviously late in the summer. And if you guys were here during 2022 summer, goodness gracious. Do you think you could build your inversion strat into algos on futures? No, and I'll tell you why algos aren't going to work, because trading discretion is one of the most overpowered abilities you can have. Trading discretion is everything. Because there could be some models where it look perfect, but back in your mind you know it's not going to work. And you need to have that input yourself. Or this Discord and I'll show you the Discord itself. This is the Discord itself. We have it's more of a community base, right, versus anything. But for itself. This is one of the best tabs in the Discord itself. Things like that. How long did it take you to become profitable? Drop out and never went to school. I can't read. Saw how it does go. That man single-handedly changed that. Bro was changing lives and I didn't just ground. He is fucking go, bro. Like deadass, I'm not dude. Generational. Right? Do you regret that you dropped out, or was it because I don't regret shit? And look, even the bad stuff, I don't regret either because it's part of life, bro. What am I gonna do? Go back and fix it? I don't. Guys, we're going to 25K. Do not short until we go to 25K. Like 25K is gonna be a big rejection in my opinion. So don't short. It's to grind up. Why specifically 25K? Because it's the big round number, pretty much, yeah, big side number. All right, chat. How long have you been live for? Cause low key, we're gonna go double stream today, so I think double stream would be the move. How long have you been live for? Hour, 10 minutes? Damn, that time flew by. Time flew by. PM streams usually run a little bit longer than AM, cause like PM I'm usually more chill. Like we have less people in here, we're just kind of vibing out. Not really trading, depending on price action, of course, but. Time fun, we're having fun. This was a good stream. What time's the other stream? We'll be live. Should we do 12 Eastern? I think we should just do 12 Eastern, I'm not gonna lie. During lunchtime. We'll go lunchtime live. What do you guys think about lunchtime live? And we'll go into like, I don't know how long. Yeah, we'll do the giveaway in that stream. So we'll do like, that giveaways in that stream. Your bucks, bro. No, poking out people trading, bro. I'll tell you how much. Oh, God, I've never been broke, bro. Last time I had a book was like, guys, let me read your trade real quick. Guys, and then they would put like master yourself and master your mind. it, but at the same time, my argument is that, like, it's like reading on how to, okay, reading a trading book, and my thing is like, okay, how to fix a bicycle, right? You're reading the book, but like, you need a hands-on experience. Maybe that's not the best like analogy for it, but like, you need the hands-on experience. It's like a learning business without doing business. Like, bro, how you can't learn? I think you can't learn business in a business class. That's just my thing, because there's so many X factors in a business where people don't understand that could pop up at any time, right? Let's say you're running like a convenience store, your employees go down, or whatever the case may be, right? You need a hands-on experience. Maze Runner is so goated. Just so you guys can read. Like, learning how to swim, bro. If you just go in the pool and start like fucking paddling, dude, like, you're not gonna drown, I promise. Bro, people will do anything but size down. Think about that. They'll read 10 books before they do a size down, bro. That's crazy. How much you risk on evals? Pretty much the whole account. On top of I risked the full 4,500 on the first trade. Anything but actual trading. And then you go to TikTok and watch these guys who try to catch like 1 to 30 yard trades, dude. Oh my god. Dude, let me not start a rant, bro. I'll be on here for another hour just ranting. And how everything that revolves around trading is so fucking stupid in my opinion. I think more than half the problems, Yash. It takes Adam, honestly, I'm not even against you, bro. That's probably a good point. No one wants to size down because it takes the excitement out. Hey, you're right, bro. And they treat this like a casino because the casino's a little exciting, right? It's just, I don't know, bro. I don't know. Alright, let me hop on out here before I go on a full rant, because I could be on here all day talking about those type of things. Alright, peace and love, chat. I hope you guys were able to catch some green and you guys learned something. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, right? Obviously. And then we're going to be back in hour and 20. We'll be back for 12 p.m. Eastern. 12 p.m. Eastern. 12 p.m. Eastern, we'll be back. Yep, it's time to make John, and we're going to go ahead and we'll do the giveaways in that stream as well. We'll be on for like another 90 minutes for PM, and then oh, we're good. All right, peace and love, chat. See you guys in about an hour, 20 minutes. Peace, peace, peace.
Gonna want to move higher on ES, which is going to pull NQ higher, and if it does that, we have an opportunity to take a trade long. From there, we have an opportunity to take a trade. Hourly. The hourly, we have. For today, my son got hit playing his football game, and it looked pretty bad. I think he has an ankle that we're gonna have to nurse back to health. Honestly, if you're gonna target midnight open, you can probably target this high at 1:15 a.m. or the open, but we'll leave it where we're at right now. 862 is the target. Tag low. Was it 40? I think it was. No, when I see target just up to these highs. I think that's where it's going to go. All right, there's target. I'm probably going to get stopped out at break even because it flashed up there and I didn't have a limit order set. All right, so see that? And look. Say, oh, I'm being persecuted. God, I am sin. No, you're actually, why is not blessing just flowing to me? Why are people persecuting me? I don't understand, God. Am I in sin? No, you're actually in line with the gospel. Excuse me, Bitcoin tag of midnight open right here. But I know it's outside of me.
Yeah, I like to see a rejection over here at 949. I'm not sure about 939, but 949 in this zone, I would like to see a rejection right there.
The Art of Seduction by Rick Warren. The 40 Laws of Power by Rick Warren. 6
Let's see here. Come on. Let's see, not that. See what we got going on here. I'm looking for a rejection here. Looking for a rejection right here. Right here. Rejection. Okay, right there, bud. I'd like a rejection right there. Right there. Right there, bud. That's it. Rejection right here. Let's see. think that's it for today, man. We got the trade out the way. Just see if there's anything else, but I don't see anything else right now. So I'm gonna call it a day right there. That should be it. Thank everybody for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Live every day at when market opens. All right, about 15 minutes before market.